Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
When you need to process not 10 images, but 10,000 for an e-commerce catalog, a real estate portfolio, or a news archive, Photoshop's automation tools become essential infrastructure. Droplets are tiny executable files created from your recorded actions. Drag an entire folder of images onto a droplet icon, and Photoshop processes every image autonomously, resizing, color grading, watermarking, and exporting without your involvement. The image processor, found under File, Scripts, Image Processor, handles bulk format conversions, TIFF to JPEG, RAW to PNG, with resolution and quality controls. You can even apply a specific action during the conversion pass. In 2025, AI tools integrated into Actions mean these automated pipelines can now intelligently remove backgrounds, clean up distractions, and upscale resolution as part of the fully automated workflow.